Hey everyone, your CP Wi-Fi camera is refusing to connect or saying setup failed, so don't worry. Today I will show you exactly how to fix it and set it up step by step. Welcome back to my TechnoWaves channel, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. So before we fix it, here are the top reasons your CP Plus camera setup fails. First, wrong Wi-Fi frequency. Yes guys, this CP Plus only connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It cannot connect via 5 GHz Wi-Fi. So you have to first switch to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Here you have to change the Wi-Fi. As you have see, I have changed the network. Then go back, then add the password. So I have entered the password. Next, here we get this scanner. We have to reset. Fresh start. Look for the small reset hole or button. You can see here, usually at the back or bottom. Press and hold for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear a beep or LED starts blinking.
Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
And you can see my camera is blinking. Now restart. Now scan this QR code in front of your camera.
Wi-Fi connection success.
Yes, the Wi-Fi connection is now successfully.
Device added successfully.
Now click on I heard a prompt. Now you can see my model name is automatically come CPE29A. Here we can also change or we can also add. Here you can see my camera is on now. So simple. And that's it guys. Now your CP Plus Wi-Fi camera should now be working perfectly. If you still face issues, it may be a hardware fault and contacting CP Plus supports is your best option. If this video helps you, hit that like and share button with someone struggling and subscribe to our TechnoWaves channel for more quick fixes and smart tech tips.